thunderstorm warning for northwestern Spalding County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, eastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, south central Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharpsburg, Oregon, 9 miles east of Newton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Sonoy, Brooks, Sharpsburg, Turin, Woolsey, Stars Mill, Bertie, Vaughan, Inman, Digby, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lake Horton, Zacella, Thomas Crossroads, and Irondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 10 p.m. in Atlanta,
Alright, so this next clip needs some explanation. Basically, on June 14th, 2022, I was eating lunch with my dad when I heard my weather radios going off. I went upstairs to record it, and sadly that recording was lost when my iPhone crashed last year. But almost immediately after that SVR came in, I got a notification that a severe thunderstorm watch was in effect for my county. So I got my camera going again, but after a minute of waiting, what happened instead was a really interesting series of events. First, a severe thunderstorm warning on both of my main stations, KEC 80 and WXJ 53. Then, about halfway through it, the watch came in on the distant station I monitor, KXI 22, and then, when the warning was finished, the watch came as a double header on both of my local stations at the same time. The resulting video was one I really enjoyed watching and looking back on for a long time, but sadly, it was also lost when my iPhone crashed. Or so I thought, until recently, when I discovered an audio recording of myself playing that video. Unfortunately, the quality is bad because I was walking around the other side of the room and skipping around the video a lot, but I'll tell you what to expect from this recording. First, you'll hear the SVR on KEC 80 and WXJ 53, then the watch tone on my Recom R1630C, which is for the SVA on KXI 22, then all the other radios exploding for the SVA on KEC 80 and WXJ 53. The full alert messages won't be heard, just the siren parts, so sorry about that, but I think it still counts. So, here we go.
north central Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia, central Pickens County in north central Georgia until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Amicalola Falls State Park, 11 miles northeast of Jasper, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of Jasper include Nelson, East Ellijay, Talking Rock, Amicalola Falls State Park, Sequoia Lake, Calumet, Marble Hill, Juneau, Fawcett Lake, Lensford High Inn, Carter Cave, Black Gap Shelter, Lake Tamarack, Tate, Boy, and Round Top. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-46.
Or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Due to the threat of severe weather,
No weather radio station WXJ.
Loose fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends careful and frequent restoration of safe or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome heat
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clay County and southwestern North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hayesville, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hayesville and Tuscaloosa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The record lowest 65 degrees which was set in 1933.
The National Weather Service in Morristown.
Police from roughly 1. What? For the excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with heat index values around 110 degrees. For the heat advisory on
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north central Georgia, west central Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.W. Smith Reservoir, or near Fayetteville, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Brooks, Woolsey, Stars Mill, Eamon, Bonanza, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lakeport, and Iredale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly sunny,
In Georgia.
97 degrees.